Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to add Soundboard Discord server. To start, open Discord, then access the server. After that, display the options and select server settings. Here you are going to go to the Soundboard section, then click on Upload Sound. In this new window, click Browse and you will add the desired sound. Click on Open. Now if you need, you can adjust the audio levels. Then assign a name to this sound, and if you wish, you can add an emoji. When you complete this, you will click Upload. As you can see, the sound has been uploaded correctly. Close this window. After that, click on General. Here at the bottom, you can click on Open Soundboard. This will give you the ability to adjust the sound that has been added. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.